I went to see Sweet Baby James a couple of weeks ago. Brian Dales, who came along to Americana one night when I was there and played some great James Taylor songs. And this is the first one I ever learned with James Taylor's. Just yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made put an end to you. I woke up this morning, I wrote down this old song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Well, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days I thought they'd never end, seen lonely times I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Look down upon me, Jesus, God help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching, my time it's at hand. No, just can't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days I thought they'd never end, seen lonely times I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Walk my mind to an easy time, back then towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, turn your head around. How's the time on the telephone line, talk about things to come, sweet dreams and flying machines, pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days I thought they'd never end, seen lonely times I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's a few things come my way this time around. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain.